What is up, everybody? Today we have a pack opening, Kit 23 on Android. I mean, let's do this, I guess. 152k coins, we should be fine. Michael Mahia, Michelle, Joe Scully, I've never heard of him. Alright then, Cone, Arangis, Thomas, Horn, Anton, I don't know how to say these names, you know. Whatever. Right, we've gone through that. Another 2.5k, let's go. Get it down to dream. Alfonso Davies, what a card. Why does that guy get flames all around him? And what? Kamada, yeah. Hey, that guy. Knocks Rangers out. Klosterman, Davies again. Hoffman, Richer, Demabe, Sommer. Yeah, I can't pronounce these Bundesliga names. Call it the Bundesliga and you have my respect. Damn it. Come on, man, load. Andreas Silva, Leroy Sané, Haller, Thielman, Killian, Bayaz, Mallon, Burkhardt, Young. That's it. I'm going to go to some of the other packs, see what can get the Bundesliga starter pack. Oh, so that's all? You just get two? What? So confusing. Yeah, we might as well finish this collection. You know, maybe not. Let's go with these. Give me. There's a week. Schlotterback. Wesley. I don't know how to say his name, but he's a right legend, you know. Tar. Stefan. Muslier. I don't know. Oh my dear, I can't say his name. I'm so bad. Kevin Vogt, Schlotterback, Koulibaly, Winkler, Diaby, and that's it. I'm going to some different packs. These packs are actually awful. No, you know what? No. Who cares about the MLS? Unless it's good. Which it's not. I need different packs, man. I need some good ones. Let's go back to the Chromes. Bircher. Chrome. Scott. Sharon. Zidane. Wagner. So a little bit of Patrick Schick. Let's just montage through him. Just go. Tabosa. Sadio Mane, let's go. It's a good card. You know what, I'm just going to end now because I need the toilet, I'm so sorry. I meant pause actually. Right, one spin. Who's that? Dusk. Nice dummy. How do we still have energy? Just a few coins as well. Smell. How do you trade? Trade. Oh shoot. Well, please don't use my email for anything. Because if you don't, I'll sue you. Philip Kostic, first guard of the pack. Are we going to get some? 3? Whoa. Lucky days. I'm just going to say it now. It was about LGBTQ. Fuck off, mate. I don't even know who he is. Why are the coins going down so slowly, man? Here's a good card. Who do you think it's going to be? Because it is Kasanu. I wouldn't guess that. I don't think anyone did. And if you did, congratulations. You're an absolute nerd at football. Give me that. Who's a good player? Oh. Get that pack over. I don't care. We've got manual money. I don't care. The good player will be. No, it won't. We've got absolutely no one. And Dicker, Pavard, Boateng, Stiller, just Donny again. Did we just get Lacroix? Okay, I should stop. I should really stop. I don't know why I'm doing this. My fang. Lacroix! Here's the Donny behind the covers. Zakaria. Decent, I could do this for days. It's not even good. He's a special man in Mecca. He's decent, I guess. Upamecano, who's going to be the player behind the cover? Upamecano again! Oh, yes. Okay. Joshua Kimmich, Winkler, Nameka, Rafael Guerrero, Caligari. This one looks serious. It's really not. It's a rubbish card. Throw him in the bin, mate. I just put it out that Speed 8, a 10k pound card. Like £10,000 and you just ate the card. It's probably a long time ago, but oh yes! Haaland! What a sexy man! Get in! Even though he plays for Man City by the time I'm uploading this. Oh, it's 22. That doesn't explain why Man is in it though, does it? Oh, he's gonna be the man. It's a rubbish Donny Dick. 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 Winkler, Leroy Sané. I don't care about these. Who's gonna be the special man? Oh. Where was it? 39.4% complete of the Bundesliga Chrome pack. I'm gonna complete it all. Leon Goretzka. How is he not dead? See you guys later, bye.